Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the DoneDeal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the My Profile button down below and then click on Edit at the top of the screen. Here you can select the seller type, such as private or trader. You can add your name, then your county, your nearest town can be chosen as well. You can select or change your email address, then add your phone number too. If you want to, you can change your password at this section too by tapping on the change password button. In that case, you need to type in your current password and your new password. And here you can select whether you would like to get product recommendations, and you can also set the communication settings. If you are done with all these data, adding all this data, tap on the Save Changes button down below, so you're going to update your profile automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.